All right. Okay, we are at the last page, and this is the best part of the story. You ready? Okay, let's go. That woman, that elderly black woman, what was that woman doing at the station? She must have gotten off of the same train. The same train that Albert was on, right? And struggling with two large suitcases, dropping them over and over. So she had two large suitcases, and she must be old, weak. So she was dropping them, can't carry them. Say it with me, struggling, struggling, struggling. Again, struggling. Say suitcases, suitcases. Remember your S. Suitcases. Good. Next question. Was she old? Yes, she was an old woman. Was the woman Asian? No, she was black. Why did she keep dropping her suitcases? Perhaps it was because she was old and weak and cannot handle the suitcases herself. How many suitcases did she have again? Come on, hurry. How many suitcases? Right. She had two large suitcases. So she must be traveling and moving, perhaps, because typically people don't carry two large suitcases when they are just traveling for leisure, right? You only carry two large suitcases when you go somewhere really far, somewhere that you may move into. Even when I go back to Vietnam, I only carry one small suitcase, one simple one. So, what did Albert do? What did Albert do when he saw that woman dropping her suitcases? And remember, he was seeing her dropping the suitcases amongst the crowd. Everyone around there gathered to see him. What did he do? Right. He excused himself from the crowd, picked up the old woman's bags or suitcases and escorted her to her bus. He excused himself from the crowd. Excuse me, I'll be right back. And he went and he helped that woman. Then what did Albert do next? He helped her to her seat and wished her a safe journey. Not just picking up the bags and helping her. He took her to the bus. He helped her to her seat and even wished her a safe journey. What a man! Do you do that? Do I do that? When reading this story, you have to wonder, you have to look back at yourself. Do I do that to those around me? Take a moment and think about it this week. Do I help other people to their seats? And do I give a kind word to wish them a safe journey? Most people don't, right? Most people don't. So remind yourself every day. I have to remind myself every day that I need to help people to their seats and wish them a safe journey. After that, what did Albert do? What did he do next? He returned to the crowd waiting for him and apologized for disappearing on them. He's so gentle. He's so kind. He's so cordial. He apologized to them. Say it with me, apologized. 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 Say disappearing. 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 How did people respond to his action? Everyone around there saw what he did. How did they respond to his action? They must have loved it. They loved it. One person said, that's the first time I saw a walking sermon. A walking sermon. What did this person mean by a walking sermon? I have never ever heard of anyone using the word walking sermon. I think he meant that a sermon is to be acted out for others to see and follow, and not just by empty words. You can't just talk about being good, being kind. You have to act it out. You have to actually do it yourself instead of just talking about it. That's what a walking sermon means. Did you like this story? Do I like this story? I absolutely loved it. Absolutely loved it. Say it. Absolutely. Absolutely. I would try my very best to do the same with all around me. Treat them with care and respect, and be that walking sermon every day. a walking sermon. I hope you enjoyed the story with me. I hope that you like the story. Give me a like on this video. Invite other people to like this video because it's a very good video. It's a very good story for other people to also read along, practice it, and become a walking sermon. All right. Bye for now. See you next week.